Welcome. Today we will see how to create a watch list and how to buy and sell a script in Motilal Investor app. First we will click here in watch list. Since there is no watch list being created, so first we will click create a new watch list. Enter a name. Suppose I am giving a name as list 1. Then we'll click as save. Now I will add some script. Suppose ONGC. In the right side we have seen a plus sign. We'll click on here. The same, by clicking on it, the same is been added to the watch list. You can add more. Suppose Coal India. Same. Go back. You can see the two scripts has been added. Suppose I want to create another watch list. I will click here and same, create new watch list with a name list 2. Click save. Now I want to add some scripts. Suppose I want to add Reliance. See, I have added Reliance in list 2 watch list. Now suppose I want to add some indices, list of indices. Then we have to click here and go to the indices section, and we can select any of the indices I want to study. Suppose I am selecting Nifty 50. Then it is successfully added as a watch list. Here you can see a Nifty 50 watch list has been added. This is the procedure to add a watch list. Now if I want to make list 2 as my default watch list, so I will click here and select the watch list that I want to make as a default. So I am selecting list 2 as my default. By selecting so, anytime if I click on the watch list, then list 2 will be shown on my screen by default. That's the aim of by default. Now if I want to delete a watch list, then I will click here. Now in the right side you can see the delete options are there. Suppose I want to delete the list 1 item, then I will click here. Then you can see a confirmation is been asked to delete the watch list. I want to delete, so I will click yes. The same watch list is been deleted. Now I will go back. Now we will see how to buy and sell a trade. Suppose I want to see the Reliance current position, then I will click on Reliance. It will show today's open, high, low, close, volume and ATP. We can click on buy to buy the share with normal, limit, market by selecting the quantity or limit, quantity and enter the limit price. Suppose now the Reliance running price is 199. So suppose I want to buy it at 1990. Then I will enter 1990, quantity 10. Then I will click on buy. Then if I want clicking on buy, the same will be buy at the 1990 price. By clicking on the market, the same script will be buy at the market price. Now we will see how to sell. We can sell, we will click on the sell option, sell, and the same we have to select the quantity, then enter the limit price. Suppose I want to sell it at 2000, I will sell, and then there is an option that I want to, then I will click on sell, sell. The same will be executed on the market for sell order. This is how we can buy and sell a share. We can use the shortcut to buy and sell directly by sliding left side. We buy, see here a buy option is generated, and we will just enter the quantity we want to buy, enter the limit price and click buy. The same is when we will slide from left to right, a sell order will be initiated. See, a sell order has been initiated. Now we can enter the quantity we want to sell and execute the order. This is how we want to sell or buy a script. We can see the buy script in report, trading reports, in net position. If the Reliance share has been bought, then it will pop up in this window. Otherwise, it will show in pending window. This is how we buy and sell a script. We will see in next video. Thank you.